Hey everybody and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a task in Jira. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. This is a fairly simple method and it's very easy to do, so I have no doubts that you will be able to follow along with me. But anyways guys, let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do guys is open up your Jira software and open up the project where you want to create a task. So after doing that, you'll be greeted by this main page here where you can see all the details about your project. And if you look in the upper corner, in the upper side of the screen, you will see a button, blue button called Create. You will want to go ahead and click on this button right here. Clicking on this button, you are then prompted up by this page where you are able to create whatever you need. For today's tutorial, we'll be able to create a task. So go ahead and click here on the issue type and you'll be able to select a task or anything other that you need. Go ahead, select the project where you want to make this a task. Go ahead and then scroll down a bit. Here you'll be able to enter all the details that you need, such as a summary, let's say tutorial for YouTube. You can select components, you can select the description. The description is anything we need for the channel. After doing that, you can select visual text. You can go ahead, scroll down a bit, select all the info that you need to create this task, such as assign if it is automatic, if you want to add a sign if you want to add a link or a sprint or so on and so on. So after doing that, following all of this info up, you can either check this to create another task immediately after creating this first one. If not, then just uncheck that and go ahead and click on the blue create button. We are prompted by just say leave. And now as you can see here guys, this has created a task for our project. As you can see, now we have new task which we can edit, delete, and so on and so on. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.